Did you know that you could make like $200 daily or even more for simply doing some small research? I'm going to show you how you can make some money for just answering a few questions on the internet. It's very simple to do. You can be at home, you can be in the car, in the bus, in the taxi, you can be anywhere and you can do this and make money. You can make like $200 a day by simply answering a few questions. I'm going to show you how you are going to answer these questions, where you can find these answers, and how to go about it and make the money for yourself. Just know that this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this, no registration fees or anything like that. And what is wonderful, as usual, this is worldwide available. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. If you're in Africa, you can do this. If you're in America, you can do this. If you're in Europe, you can do this. If you're in Australia, you can do this. If you're in Asia, you can do this. And if you're in South America as well, you can do this. This is worldwide, and you can do this on your phone or on your computer. So you don't need to have an excuse to say that you maybe don't have a good computer or you don't have a good phone. You don't really need a good phone or a good computer. Just an average device can do for you. So before we get into the video, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. I would really appreciate it. Just click the subscribe button right now and turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video for you, you won't miss it out. So the website today is called Ask Wonder. The URL is askwonder.com. So it's askwonder.com. When you put that in your URL, you're gonna get onto this page right here. So basically, it's actually a place where you can actually answer questions for them. So these are the companies they work with. You can take some time for yourself to browse the companies they're actually working with. So what you want to do is that you actually need an account. But before you create the account, I want to show you some potential questions that they may ask. So for example, they're asking, what is the global market size of the non-traditional human-machine interface industry? Or what is the size and breakdown of the mattress industry in the United States? Or what percentage of people whip out their phones to check social media while they're waiting in line? Or how many pints of Guinness are consumed on St. Patrick's Day in New York City? So these are the types of questions that they actually want answers to, and they're actually paying you to actually go and do the research and get the information for them and submit it to them, and they can pay you good money for every research that you do. So before anything, you want to actually sign up. So you want to come up here and you'll see Get Team Account or Try Wonder Now. You want to click on Try Wonder Now. When you click on Try Wonder Now, you are going to see over here, looking to become a researcher, click here. So you want to click here and then you are going to sign up. It's a very easy process. You don't have to complicate anything. It's just your name, your last name, your email address, put in your password, and then what city do you live in, and that should be it. And you can get your sign up all done, and it's absolutely free and completely easy. So now let's go back so that I show you exactly how you are going to go about this. So for example, over here, let's take one of the questions. Let's take, for example, there's another question. What question should we take? What percentage of people whip out their phones to check social media while they're waiting in line? So all you want to do is you want to copy this question and you want to go onto Google. So you want to make sure you go onto Google and you want to type in this question. So we are going to paste that exact question and get the information from Google. So as we can see over here, we have information on this. So for example, over here they say, what percentage of people whip out their phones to check social media while they're waiting in line? So we have all the information here. 11% of people report that they check their phone every few minutes, 41% check it a few times an hour, and 20% claim to check their phones about once an hour, and so on and so forth. So this is very nice information. They structured the whole thing very well. So you want to do something like this. You want to copy this information and you want to paste it in a Word document. So you want to copy that and you want to open a Word document and you want to paste that information. So as we can see over here, we have pasted all the information. So you quickly just want to browse through it and make sure that everything is correctly spelled, no spelling errors. Make sure that it makes sense. So there are different sites where you can actually get the information. Google is filled with so much information, so you can check different kinds of sources, and you just want to summarize everything and compile it in a Word document, and just make sure you're happy with everything you've come up with. And basically you want to put in a conclusion as well so that you can summarize everything. So you're basically doing the research for the Ask Wonder website, and then you want to save this document, and then you would want to submit the document back onto the website. So it's as simple as that. There's so many questions that they ask on a daily basis, and you can get all the answers on Google. So just know that they're actually paying you a good amount of money just to actually do the research for them. So it's a very, very great way of making money whilst you're at home, whilst you may be in the car and you're trying to earn some extra money quickly, and they pay on time. They pay within 24 hours. So it's a very wonderful platform that you should join to actually make this money. So I hope this works for you. The website is askwonder.com, and it's been running for some time, and they are a legit website, and they're actually paying the people just to do research. And there are many questions that are actually available on this website that they want to ask you, and these questions are really in-depth questions that people actually want to find information about these things. So just make sure to try this website. It's askwonder.com. You can make yourself maybe an extra $200 a day or an extra $150 a day, depending on the amount of research that you do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like. I would really appreciate a like from you, and make sure to subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Turn on all post notifications. I'll try my best to get more resources for you to make more money online. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.